Hey guys, Mike again with the 61 Beetle. Like or subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I have a task today of putting in these little guys, which are the little plasticky, rubbery grommets that hold the molding. So I did it already on this one, and I just wanted to show what this is. So I had put these in without putting in the black plastic pieces, and it just kind of rattles and it's not really in there. So basically what I have to do is, if I take off the molding piece, and you can see that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So I take 5 of these little guys here, and then basically it's pretty gratifying because they fit in nice and snugly into the holes here in the body. I'm surprised that I just overlooked this before, but I don't know what I was thinking. So once you get each of those in there, then you just take this guy. So the closed end of the molding goes here because you see that, and the kind of more open end of the molding here goes up against the hinge, and you don't really see that. So push this in, and that's what it looks like. It seals that nicely. So I'll go ahead and do that on the, and I'll probably time lapse. I'm just going to do the other 4 pieces of molding, which is 3 on the other side, and then this one here. Luckily this hopefully this pack comes with a couple extra ones, but if I look at this one here, this one is just, it seems weaker. I don't know what's up with that. Let's see if this one goes through nicely. All right, now let's go to the other side. Hopefully it comes with at least 1 extra. See, look at that. It just kind of, it doesn't stay in very well if you don't have these. So I need 4 for this one. All right, so fully in place now. I have all the little rubber plasticky pieces there, and all the 6 pieces of molding. And interestingly, I have an entire bag left. It's almost like this came with it easily twice as many as I needed. So that's great. All right, that's side molding. I forgot one piece of molding. So obviously there is a piece of molding that goes right down the hood, and look at that. This is just loosely fit, and underneath here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have the ones for the little VW sign, but there are 7 pieces of mold, 7 pieces here that could use that. Now, I think I won't mess with the crest, because even though that doesn't have the seal, well, maybe I need to, because I don't want water to get in there. All right, I'm just going to set this camera here and go ahead and do the seals. Four and 5. So they're all in. Take a look. So that's in to the grommets. You can kind of see them a little bit from the side. That sticks up just a little bit, and this one here is not particularly good, but that has to be up above the crest, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that. I could probably finagle this to get the last one to hold it down onto the crest a little better, but I'm not gonna sweat that. All right, that was the final forgotten piece of molding. So there you have it.